I know your day was hard, so come through. The women want me, but I want you. Switch them rumors, they so untrue. They tell you nervous, but I got you. Yeah, I got you.
We got here relatively early in the morning here at the North Shore, a small town called Holloway, something like that. So our first stop, this little food truck called Crispy Grinds. Just ordering an acai bowl, so we'll see how that tastes. Everybody's acai bowl here on the island is different, but our favorite has been at that little market called Duke's right next to our hotel. So we'll see how this one is.
So the acai, typically, our favorite has been Duke's Market next to the hotel, just because their acai is more of like a sherbet. But everybody else's acai is like the real acai, like it's not super sweet. That's why they put honey on it.
I this before, but I got you. Yeah, I got you. No, you ain't felt like this before. I've been gone for a minute. I've been lost on the road, I admit it. I've been trying to get back, but it's hard, babe. Heart beat up, I've been dealing with heartbreak. I've been bleeding in boots, need a medic. Messing up, feeling ultra pathetic. Look at me like you see how my demons. Those in love if you know you don't mean it.
So this town pronounced Haleiwa. It's located on the north shore of the island of Oahu. It's mainly a surfing town, really. The sand is not very soft. There's signs that say no swimming, and there's mainly surfers out there right now.
As you can see, there's nobody out there swimming, just surfing. They have signs that say no swimming because of strong currents and rocky shorelines right here.
All in all, it's still a beautiful place to visit. So right now, we just sitting here. Ash is in the car. I got out to look at the water, look at the surfers, and get a few shots of the beaches. We're waiting on like all the stores and restaurants to open right now. So we're just killing time right now. Famous Giovanni shrimp truck. Shrimp skin. Ashley here has some grilled chicken. I got a side of a homemade hot sauce. That's good. The hot sauce is different. The hot sauce is actually spicy. You know, some places say that hot sauce is hot, but it really is not hot. This is spicy, and I like it. It's a different taste. It's a little different taste. It's more like a soury. I don't really know how to explain it, but I know it's spicy. Another change of plans. We forgo the beach because we didn't find one we liked, and we hitting the Dole Plantation, and we're gonna hit the beach back in Waikiki. So yeah, we here at the Dole Plantation about to get some whipped the things, the pineapple whips. We about to get the pineapple whips, and it better be worth it. All right,
This line is dumb long.
because I'm pretty sure it's a line.
It is, you see it, it's dumb long.
And this line is dumb long. Highly recommend. Highly, highly recommend. Even at Disneyland and Disney World, highly recommend.
I like the raspberry one there.
You just can't mess with it though. Look, he got some. Look at this top one. He got the Eiffel Tower.
He got the $30 one. He got the
$30. They crazy for that.
That's the boat. That's the pineapple. He got half a pineapple.
Like I said earlier, Plantation don't sit well with my soul. My ancestors tell me don't do it. In Bahamas, we are what they call honorary locals.
Shout out to George.
Shout out to George. My dog George. Bus number 13.
Bus 13.
Bus 13. If y'all ever in Nassau, Bahamas, take bus 13. Ask for George. Tell him we sent you. That's the homie.
We literally have George's number.
We need to call George. George, if you watching, sorry we never called you.
We love you. We had our baby, by the way.
We had a baby, she's 2.
No, we have another one on the way.
I got another one on the way. We gotta come back and see you, my boy.
Why these chickens and birds and roosters and hens and everybody else just be so freely out here?
Bro, Hawaii should be nicknamed the Chicken Island. Chicken Head Island. There's so many chickens walking around this island freely.
Josh. Get my phone.
Right here comes the rooster. Y'all hear that rooster? You literally hear that all over the island, even in Honolulu.
Give me a kiss.
I know. We're taking
No.
I don't want to be awkward.
Ain't nothing, but they just won't let me be. I handle my BS. When Bessie just relax and let me be free whenever I call. I come running 2121213. Know that I ball. Stop working for my substitute pride. Got dough. I got dough.
Ash tried to stay in the bed and I go to the beach, but I forced her out the bed. So we're gonna walk the little 8 minutes to the beach because the sun sets in probably about an hour or so. So we gotta hurry up and do the race. The weather app said we got 10 minutes to the sunset. So let's enjoy our 10 minutes out here.